Well, this Indian Scout has one little problem. The exhaust sounds like a sewing machine. Well, I've got just the fix for that, and it's not going to cost a dime. I'm going to use these slip-ons that came on the Electroglide. All I have to do is weld on some tabs to attach it to the exhaust bracket. And a separate tab for the top pipe. That should do. Now to make it match the rest of the bike, I'm going to spray it high temperature black. Now that they're dry, all that's left is to install them. I left some of the pipe chrome, that way it matches the rest of the bike with the stepped look. Now for the most important part, how do they sound? Oh yeah. Let's take this party out on the road. And then this happened.
Oh my God. Jesus.
Come on now. Well, all right. All is good. Well, I hope you found this video entertaining. Thanks for watching The Maker Hack Shack.